Okay, yeah, and stuff. So, I present to you this another long train. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it's another long train and stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, yeah. There it is. Yeah, and stuff. There's no sound. Sorry about this computer. And an error has no sound. The car just went through the train. That was the best part. Wow, look how long this train is. Oh, there. Oh, that was funny. Wait, here comes another car. Man, look at these dumb cars. They're going through the train. Weird. So, yeah, and stuff. Yeah, wow, the train's still going. Oh, there goes. What's wrong with these people? Yeah, this is a very long train. It's gonna keep on going. What's wrong with these people? I mean, seriously. There's a train, and you stop. They don't notice that there is no railroad crossing stuff. Whoever built this place. Oh wait, that's me. I was waiting to add the railroad crossing things, and this train is still going. Wow, this is a really long train. Come on, people. Get some brains. Stop driving through the train. It's weird. I mean, seriously. Oh god, here goes another Dumbo. And that's the end of the train. So, yeah. There it is. The train. And how long this is. Anyway, so, yeah. Now it's time to do some fun and stuff. So, yeah. So, yeah, looks like those cars are getting away and stuff.